Ka National Highway Authority of India NHAI, haka arpoi trik jeliu kala kam bakala sedang ban maramot ya kesurok ba National Highway 6 da ka ba pendap ya kitliu kis ar ban kamsuk ki kali motor ban yai ban yeng. Kani kalawan jalong hadien ba ka JAC dong Namchiang ka ba kedup ya ki khatway teli kisnong ha elaka narpu nadu na tongseng hadu malidor kala pen triang klem pendam bat beteng ban penlong ya ka jing ya ki pakhang surok. Kani kalawan ra ya kejing sange kayat kayeng ki kali motor ka balakta ya ki jela jong kethan syate lami ngi ka Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur bat ke jela. Na kaliang ka Bor District East Giant Hills District lingba ka Additional Magistrate kong JU Kharpuri kala hiar sya umkyang ban kentu ya kinong yalam ka JAC ban weng ya kejing ya ki namar ba kani ka surok kadai ka bapenya so bat ki we ki jela. Henry na kaliang umala sting pala Chairman JAC ula kren syai balada ka NHAI kala ban maramot ya kasurok ban suk kayat kayeng ka kali hadu malidor klempep kinweng ya kajing yaki. Ula ongru bakani ka isu kamdei ka batmai lada ka shimkhia ka sorkar ne ka NHAI kanomja kumbalong menta hadu ba kasurok kan jot rathai bat dap da kitliwis ar.
Di kawai kalong kini isu long na kaliang jong sa sisi kalian office ni suka aku tak depan nama pagkati kita jadi kamu jadi kali mau pasang jadi lo kami kalakta maka di interstate no di kalakta ni tu ida jelas kalau kita di keniru kami pada ada NGA ke balong kamu ke masuk tem kemar baki truk baru na setai lah dan bercerita yang lain kisnong setai itu silang ni osno berkila ya ut chuyên sản phẩm long cầm đặc long cầm bala long cầm pin số phụ tăng mà kata kaliang
nggak susu bagani kerja ke belum jom kan nopi sih baru kau ngre ngimban sih ini kadon kin ke bawang ke ban sih ke thom ya kasang ada kan ni iki bagi jing ingat iwe peti jelas ngre ngin kat nasional no la pula don ke jing kemen ka sulokan biang kan bitno ngre hadi katu kan ni bakin kam don respon ai namar bakam don respon ai ngi haban simbiang sakawe pat sinjang ban lek biang ya kene strike nang ba sulok ni yo di madam lagangin beng ya kene strike pat ba ubabon pat ulang strike jong kande ke strike jong kirang basno kade ke strike jong pat ba
what is beautiful
yes
Yes. Actually, the contractor has appointed since 23rd March 2020. We have completed approx 10 kilometer of the stretch with TBM and PC.
where is that I don't see
In
anything
Lumsnong area. Okay, 10 kilometer we have covered.
okay
And rest one, since the monsoon has arrived earlier, I think, so the work has hampered due to that. And we, I think next 2 months will continue, the rainy season will continue. So in that one, we will not be able to do the bituminous work, means black. But actually we are yeah ma'am, but
no, I don't see anything.
no ma'am, I think daily 20 dumpers are consuming. We are consuming 20 dumpers.
Oh, no. I don't see anything.
No,
I'm
ma'am.
telling you.
Ma'am.
I'm telling I have traveled by myself
Yes,
just
ma'am.
now.
Yes, ma'am.
Being a woman,
Yes,
especially, I'm thinking about the plight of these women here.
Ma'am.
You know how women will be traveling,
No, I
especially
just came.
those who are sick and So I do not see anything. So we have to go join.
Yes, ma'am, I'm
You
sure.
have to show me where you have done.
Yes. And this small aggregate, I think it will take 4 days.
4 days.
3 to 4 days, maximum 4 days, but we will try to complete prior to that.
Because Sir DC has specifically instructed me
Yes,
to come here and inspect by myself
yes, ma'am.
and give a report to him. Okay.
Yes.
So as far as my eyes have seen, as far as that I have traveled, I haven't seen anything done.
I can show you, ma'am. 3 to 4 locations where continuously dumpers are coming and dumping all the boulders and all these things, and machinery are there. They are spreading and compacting them.
Okay, so you have to show me that
Yes,
one.
yes, yes. While
because
returning, we'll show you. Yeah, while
I'll
returning,
see.
we'll show you.
And like, which places, from which place you have started? Now.
No, no. From we have yesterday we have completed up to Mandir area, up to Mandir. But I think 2 to 3.
Up to Mandir?
Yeah.
You have completed?
Yes, yes.
But it's so bad, yeah. I traveled just
No,
now.
because that smoothness cannot be achieved without laying of the blacktop.
Have to do something that will be something that the road that one truck will pass. You know,
Yes,
and
ma'am. Yes,
how many trucks per day? Do you know that?
Yeah,
Because your road should be as per.
4,000.
Huh?
So,
So just imagine 4,000 trucks.
Yeah.
So whatever you have laid down, what I am seeing now, it's like it's not. No work has been done.
No, it's going because of
No,
the.
no, don't fool me around, okay? Don't fool me around. I know. But if I don't see what I see, is what I believe.
Yes.
So I know that. Okay. So don't tell me that you have done this and the road that I have traveled just now, you said till Monday. I'm not sure that you have done that road. So bad. So you will have to take me.
Yes.
I'll see.
Yes,
I'll
yes,
see.
sure,
Okay, because
sure.
I'll take photos and I'll
Yes.
take to services. Okay.
Yes.
So, but please take. This is the flight of not only of 1 or 2 persons. This is the many. How can you know? 14 villages. 14 villages. People are. You understand? They are disheartened with the condition of the work on this road. And they have to use this road for various purposes. So you have to take very, very strict measures. Okay, that the contractor will have to complete. So how is the contractor, like he's doing his work?
Yeah. Dhar construction.
That's what, like he's doing his work. He's implementing as per your directions and all.
Yes.
He's doing that.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll go and check.
Yeah.
With me also, then we'll see.
Yes.
Wherever you said that you have done, I'll give some proof to DC. Because Sir DC, he wants proof now.
Yes.
He wants proof of every part of the road that you have constructed, where you have repaired.
Yes.
Okay. So your repairing also should not be something that 4,000 trucks, the moment 4,000 trucks comes, means the entire road is washed away. Okay, plus monsoon. One is monsoon, one is the passing of trucks. You understand, no?
Yeah.
So you have to look into this properly. Okay, that the road you should not just do it for the sake of doing it. Okay, you have to do it for the sake that the road will still be there. Okay, at least till the end of monsoon.
Yes.
Then after monsoon, we'll start the normal.
Yeah. We'll do the concrete work.
Long dala mentalong bakas. Okay. Kita lak man.
Nakaliang yung nirong susu pa kami ka por kami ka por kabit man ya ka black to. Siyempre at least yung ikin bakin ini kibala long view pala. Ikundat na kiboga. Kadin pat kin ay dapat chip. Long smooth din bang jadi kan. Andai ban ay hadu ka black to.
Ada berapa madam? Mau bisa boleh madam warna ini. Sudah ini yang mat. Dan ada milik ada monitor punya berapa imai masuk. Kita di kremong bah. Saya ingin dia dikum ke kena dalam senang ada rumah yang di kondisi manjisi. Kita kau ini kerpat itu, tunjuk ni pesniu. Bangi kembang ini ya rai, nombor amde rai jeng rai pai ba mo. Lada ki kila ban pen marmot ado po yang monitor ban lep hamok ong munde cara pendeu dau ci ba pundar. Lada ki la ado monitor te ngin beng dala de lada pingwan ro ngin beng lada. Mo pemdan kaman punya tang sukun ini ngin la beng mar kini ting e ting munde badang thmai te da mangi kran kini haba pun itu engineer kim risik pun itu dar company risik kim de ngi kung nang dam sno haba ngi pun gede berisik ma ang kita kim kis nete te kata kadau ngi bo pe jaga inang salang ngi bo ledang kren mangi kemenukin kren so kena no kira no certify mo gede surat ang kata nilang ngi leda ngi sing thai ban song surat ni bai kan no ars ngi song tang kamban sih, dia kata lada kila ban pendep kulai, ini dia lada ingin kuar ban sistem ya kiri mah, mangi satu dia lada sistem, ini dan kam makin pendep nak kulai, lada pendep kulai dulu tasara kembali lah, Dap keren tadi ngin beng dap pinggan madam ngin beng. Kita pun sarwa jadi pun tinggi lah beng teh. I press tu lah.
Di macam sekarang memang macam. Ini nakaliang jong ini. Ini kuat bahkan yang kumne. Ndrei mano ba pun bor yang ibang isyong kumne di ko man. Nakajin ba sim kia jong ko na. Naman la yak thai si thai baru. Aduh, Deputy Chief Minister Pak Presiden Song pada yang surau. Kila yawan gini pinang yalam sini. Kila dondo kejing kular pun. Pada din kata nama bekim train long no ada strike. One surgery, one to reng no ini strike, train no sedang no. Kum kipat ba kiba pun ko yang lede haki bos sokar. Ipun ko ngong ni reng no ya strike. Namar ni don kejing termen bakat additional la kular mo kan long dek kata. Ndrei kamu long ketung kejing kami nanti jo. Kata daw ni khad yang kejing yalang. Berkat baik ba ulah ya khai ba besar orang pelong jaga ini strike. Nang ba kesorkarkan disko. Iyo dan lejek. Ya kejing sniu jong su.
Tapi lihat sebenarnya madam
Setelah sekmaru kaju. Te ya mentahi ingin bat baik jaga eka rai ka banglaran. Kat ba ngin pad yo ba kesorkar. Te mentah ngadang sukuli na kini gerambak senong sete. Wong kila ya tre kumno. Yang kisi tre tangga. Kisubrek da ka kendeu banya mau ubun kendeu. Kakale ke banang pun susu yang sudah. Di kabha bakin usok itu, bakin tray bha, bu baga ki boulder tiba uta sabret nang kan lang smooth kan ti banda. Lada hakan ni ko kom ka bakin tray kan nang tun bitar susu. Kena kata kada nang man like na kajing yung ipai ba. Baje piro ki ba bat ya ka dinir season pinsuk. Pinsuk lada kini ki don. Le pila yo dan lagi skor dengan ngina kaliang jong ngini kerpat itu. Ong ki bakin pun kloy ban trade kenang ba ngir ngin ben kloy tadi ka strike. Lada kimpat dep hiban trade complete nadu hadu malidor ngin la apa strike.
Kemut dah bu pe ka strike hadu i.
Hadu. Baik madam. Dalam pun ni na pe ban ngayo ina ka force ka por. Lada pi ong bangin weng ka strike kim trade. Kim yo cika ban trade. Namari ki kali gila bon pala. Satang ki blok baik lah. Anda kani ka serok nasional highway kandeng gali. Kandeng ki jam gali. Nang tahu uniu kontraktor lede kani hai kan tre. Kan yo lat ban tre.
Em kalong kum ni te nakaliang jong usar di si la pun baik ba. Kanu ko benta jong surok hapor basna kamut siliang on pelat siliang. Hap le benta. Namar kani ka surok kan khang te kamlong te. Namar ba kam tu ya hap namar kani ka surok kam dei tang mo kun kam mangi ki mo. Ki kun kam sekiwei pak ki jela. Ki turuk di ki don kam ban.
Kata madam. Nga kani nganong ni jong na. Kata pi ki besong sete ban besong sete kim yo I kumat kita cile kumoi kumat ni ibaran sana. Tangi na kiliang jongi ni dei pembaik ila de pembaik. Naga komiti jongi naga jingelang jongi haba chwa bung sim ni kani karai. Kat bampat gat ban maramat yo sarok tak ada ban depoi hajing ke mulidor. Dale lengin nomba. Dia kata ngangan krisai.
Apa ka jingnya?
Ya.
Kata jingnya sikat tu ini lamat dia frasi blok ni tajing apa orang imat benar. Pilih ini frasi blok ni. Dia jing ibri bopang bo kita melak bukan mesin dawai. Kita tam bikin tri klimak ba armet rumla ruban mesin dawai ba lin hospital rumla shooter. Lada kita jing sisi monu nasional highway tu mah. Tambangi ledangi nyingi ba syong ni ngilak kita jing usah kinki lada gilak jing hapan dia syak. Salam.
Em kawai pada kalong ba kami kasurok ka ba omdei tang ba kaya tang ubrio ru mo ndrei pe kimar ki badon kap ki marbam ya yang ni te kami ke petrol mo kami ke umpiang ka ya yang ni itu lah okey
Sar di sini
Madam ini mo. Lada ka dei hi kasurok. Ngin nang jin dala kang kum. Ndrei bang yo I kam dei ti kasurok. Yang ikwa balai ni sung kumning ikwa bakan long surok. Madam. Naon ka long surok teman-teman itu pelai.
so how much time till malidor you that 3-4 days still malidor
I think 3 days up to 3 days it will be completed.
3 days
Yeah. 3 days is okay.
but what
We can reach up to
Excuse me, brother. Can you give
can reach
the
up to
first
Malidor,
on the
3
first
days.
ride? You said that the same question. On 3 days they will make it.
Huh?
Is it possible? 3 days.
That we can finish our GSP. That will take another 3 days.
Another
We have project manager from
Let's meet.
yeah.
Okay, so now like what I'm seeing is that first we have to keep the fight until the left. Okay, and the way, the type of repairing also should not be only by all like that. It should be properly done.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are doing big boulder, first laying boulder, then above that one we are having that a small aggregate, 40 mm, 20 mm.
No, but the
We are
thing
doing
is
chip.
that they are saying that if you pour chips or something also, once the truck gets on it, no, so all that is like gone.
No, because we are giving as a base boulder.
There's nothing that you can plaster or something after you have done all of that. You just plaster like that.
No.
You cannot do.
Whatever the bitumen work, whichever the binding material, that cannot be we are using in this monsoon rainy season. So proper work we can be resumed after September, but till that the big pothole, which are the big pothole, already we used earlier. We for emergency we use some sand or alternate element, but now we are bringing the material from our Kesar, stone Kesar. So our Kesar also due to rain there is all the processes damages. So we are trying to get repaired and restored within the next 2 days. In the meanwhile we are procuring the material from other sources, other Kesar stones. So we are planning, our people are working very hard. So we are trying our best level to at least the big pothole can be filled within the next 3 days. Thereafter we will try to restore with the WMM by bituminous film if we get the good weather.
Okay.
And the main work, whichever the main work, DPM, GC, that will be restarted after September. That you can understand.
Yes, I understand that one. But at least they are also willing that you do a good repair work. They want a good repair work. Okay, at least suitable enough for people to travel. Okay, because this road doesn't look like a road anymore as per their grievances. Okay, it doesn't look like a road. It's almost like passing through some forest or something like that. Okay, so you'll have to ensure that 6 days you need.
Not 6 days, 3 days for filling the big pothole.
Okay.
Big pothole.
Big potholes.
So that heavy vehicle, others vehicle can be fly smoothly.
Yes.
Then we'll take up the small pothole.
Okay.
Now,
3 days is
for
only
the big
big
potholes.
potholes.
For big potholes. Always in this time I was standing the side there with my people. So I asked them to leave the small pothole because we have to restore immediately the big pothole where the accident prone area
Yes,
is.
yes. Thì khi ông dân đang cho đặc ni cả tiêu thì hệ thì bà là khăm nhiều thì năng tu kinh saya khi ni tiêu thì bà khăm rị thì khi năng đang cho station này thì khi sawan terter kum ni thì pinahapan airport thì nama sebakawan siwan keslam
Em ka bahaya bikin tray hakan dia ka por ka bangidang yang surak te bangidang kali. Kan kamu pensuk yaki.
em tabalong
Kalong kajing rap o yakiro.
kajing terpat na kaliang jong ka district administration kaliang bisi balong ba kani kasurok ka badon kam ti ada pidang la bani ya weng ya kani da pidang la ba kinya suku lang bani tray lang naman na kaliang bisi uong ba ipulit un sabu ban pek ya kani ti officer un sabu hi ban one pek kari ya kata kajing pentri kam jong ti mo
Em madam na kaliang jong ngai kung sekretari jong ka JC. Nga tengah ang kabha bawa penyesa saong yang kisi penyesa lembar ni. Kena dalam kum ni bangin bar ini kini kinong kre ki kam kloy kam step. Tanda gila dep pentre ya gane kata kumbala ong ni serman bala orang bak solo biru. Ni dari di kawan sendiri bila weng lepai kena jadi. Pada kali gila mentala bon lagi kali. Dalai impossible. Jam traffic bat gini dong tre jumlah cuma.
Hakacing long nong kit pilong kit nong dai me. To udisi nong kit ke distrik. Sementara kini kitrok kali baro kala mentara nakasnong jong kila alai. Mo, kini kisnong jong kila alai. Mentara pat kisah hut cek tu kisnong jong kiwai pate. Tekan ni ru kala peni itu ka komplain. Suko.
Te kamli le. Kita ki basa sate hakajing kemud haga kisu penapa non trien tu. Ni pas sini ngi mat kijing ke lekat nu benai, kat nu snap. hai lagi teyau lantar di kundai lantar iya kejing jenjar kan bagus yo
Ini suku.
Madam, kung may natuloy mo, ngin video. Kani gimana baru sebenarnya mundan slap, mundan leer, mundan pria. Ini benar demo, temo ini kia apa gini madam? Mau kim yo kia, kada ni keren yo mundan maslap. Andang ini ya ki kemudian rumah senong itu bila ki nada dia. Kita kan orang rim kum ke rumah senong. Ni lah sim ya gerai dah minta jim halong pai ba. Mang ni ya le ya kene kam ni strike ni minta jong pai ba. Kade di minta jong diberiu. Bro celenter na minta kita diberiu na Mizoram no baca bar jong ke state jongi di minta jong gitir. Tu dongkong di minta jongi ka ba ar di minta jong ki. Kumta ngi le sim gerai bangin bakin maramat adu bakin amde bangi ong bakin le adu. Baro yo tu bari beria mau tu krem beria kitliu beria. Lekin le gitu gi behak so gitu liu. Dan dalam dep gitu behak te gitu bari selek ke hadin. Inde bangin ong bakin le be bara gitu bari ki bama. Yang bakin le so gitu behak do pom leader. Hadin nang tu pom leader tu behak tengi ngin selipet ngin sa pelai ki kata strike. Te gitu bari tikin le ke hadin. Ada tangga tai ngi dia jangan ada yang konfirman. Kasih tangga tai. Kemarin ingin menton jingmut sudah kiwe. Kan ayo kiwa. Kalau dangin beng menca dengan kipai ba ni barak gila kibitar dengan margane di surjung pai ba. Ingi kumbu tanjung tar barak we. Te kejingnya jungi menton bersengap. Mo andang lelek kumne kinsul penduk tagi senong bae penduk jingi tang belum melaki la sedang menperta. Tegi dan ki pulit nendu baksa nen triste. Tegi deliang sarkar ki dengan pa security ki namarngi deliang ngi kum petrol kum diesel kum pa o balap pun sarwar jiri ngau cerman di ben pelai. Ingi la pelai du menin ni bro kita ngi la pelai ki gas. Ni pelai. Tese banong bangin pun hun be ya kata jingkwa jangan yakini ki en hai tinggi nyimla ngi ong be ya ke nama deliang bisil ngiti par kini por balda kita be ki tambak deliang ki king snap yo wat yo bisil ngatra kim king beda ki buram yo sar war jiri kumba ula betha ki ilele andre kim sem lo buram de kata kadau kene kam ram ji kum pai ba namar kade ri sa pai ba ngi kum ki bamat ya ki ngi don ko ha mo namar pai ba de sarkar mo de kata kadau madam ngi deliang jongi oi kata ka an kadang kata ka an mo tang ba ka an ro kam siam mo nga an ban penyap ini ki badawa lagi jong ko hok telada ka an ka sa ban pen sitom ini habang idawa lagi jong ko hok we are ready kam le re kata mo bilang tang da ban ta jong pai ba
Cerman berang kurum kumba kena makan kot no kena jingkren ta ju sejo kumba kila batai lai singi ken sinai ko to behe mat hadin data lai singi ken sinai to barit te ya kakam kumba la kren gena rumpa kim pelai no ya to strike hadin balagat ya kata kata lebih
kawai kalau nakaliang jongi ka nakaliang jong district administration ba bisi ni ai ya kata jing kli ki bangir mungkin kli hendak no menang ni syahmat ingin dapat bahan no ya kejing tray jong gini bakil pendak yang penting kenapa kini pendak kita sikam ba kami kan yarap kiru sibut teng impak tang kejing tray lang nak yang jong kiru naman impak kita bangini aja kaan ngile kita ki mo namar ni nak kalian tu ni ngila suku ti ba kasurak kadai gawai mo ka kalimti mo kalau belum jong ipat ba kibriu teng ai klang kasurak ru balai ba naman ta ipat ba masuk Pak kita sih bangin ya tak ni syukwa ya tang daka pau daka takap ngiru pak iki bakin tempau no daka mo
kata apa yang dak
bakadul madam
kila ai kular ini lais ni syai kita ki bahe sa lais ni pada kin pendak kita ki berit ngiru ni kumaki kular ngiru wan check wan pek nin pen ya ka jeng iu jong ngiru ya ki menang ba kam kan ya bet nang kan pensuk epi hidup dia ban ya lek ki kam ki jam
Sibun madam kadul madam nak wa besai kata ke jingkre kinde ban spray tang ban pendak ya batang sisi asli ingin pelai jadi penjai kalong silong bunjo kin tre ko ba khamba ba khamne ka we ko ba ngasau si kalong bagi jingkeng bro kile iglo sinjar omdan me pek tang ki be iya yigini jingkeng lada gawe jingkeng kan tekut manuan ba ni jingkeng jungi kalai ba bro ya tengah kata ngabu ke jingkerpan ya sarkar dari ki kunju Tapi meramot dah keba itnap jong pajba dah keba kamsuk pajba dah keba kamskem. Baru tu ben pek kerpang ha pimia ingni jikeng. Baleng tu bibu ya tu ikendon ha jikeng Singapura. Bro artli gitu si 144 bisi. Ndon cha banjing kali man kes gi kali ki jeng di spa kali halar jikeng. Jikeng gum long sila. Cheno ki police, cheno ki department. Itu ko beru nga yela de ngaso. Ngaso si abang ala into nga pek si aku jikeng. Dengar ka bu ke jeng terpar ke bakat do ai bangin kat pempadep ngi 6 plek ngi 6 wer ngi kene strike. Bah bagi
Sini rulah lek ha ban yo ban sedang kam nak yang ini lah ingin cincang tidak saya kan dari nomor bakal department tu kami ke ini yang jadi ban pressure you have to take a very strict interest in this like it's not just like enough like this. We want like the work. Okay, I will come for monitoring. Okay, from my side, I'll come for monitoring on and off the site. So I'll come and check your roads, and the type of repair that you give should not be a repair which will last only for 2-3 days. Okay.
Repairing our major work is not repairing. Anyhow, we are doing that. Our work is main the restoration. DBM or DC.
No, but that.
But for that,
I'll take it up with your PD or your
we are
project.
talking. We are consulting with them also.
Yes,
That's why yesterday I, along with Endor, our owner, we all the day we did that.
Yes.
So we are submitting them also extra work also.
Yes.
Also.
Yes.
But this is not part of our public.
That is your office work. So anything like that, you please communicate with me. I'll communicate with Sir DC. I'll talk with your higher officials also. Okay, so that this matter will be looked into. Okay, but as of now, please do your work. Just the repair work you do, and it should be a repair work that will last at least for this monsoon. Okay, till that September, if you are to start. So yes, till at least now you have July and August, 2 months more. So it should last.
So
because you are the authority to do that.
They are the authority owner.
You have the authority to do that, and I request the administration to do the strict action, to take action against this Nahai official. Otherwise, the things will come for nothing.
In the meanwhile, I am giving another motion that in between this one, there is a 8 kilometer work is CC work, cement concrete work. That we can do, and we will do within this monsoon. That 8 kilometer road.
Yes. Okay. That's cement.
Cement concrete.
In market area, in Kyang, like Sonapur, Mandir, where there is a frequent damage occurs, we have taken.
You do like that, you do like this, you give me in WhatsApp, okay, you make up what are those portions which has to be done by that, which portions you will do, you just give me a list, okay, just give me in WhatsApp, okay, so that I'll give a proper report to Sir DC.
Okay, you go on construction this work, do this work, and Monday we will meet again.
Within 3 days, wherever there is a big potholes, we are doing the repair work with base. We are doing as a boat, and above that one a small aggregate for the smooth motor. Yes, pothole. Pothole has been filled earlier. However, recently we have seen that heavy rainfall has occurred. Due to that one, we are having at various locations landslide has occurred, which ultimately also damaged the road, and the already filled potholes was washed up. No. I think at least some vehicles which are flying has to go other states. So I think we are doing that one repairing work, and we will complete within 3 days.
In 3 days?
Yeah. Just up to Mandir, by that repairing the big potholes, and we'll able to reach
from Mandir up to Melidor within 3 days we will fill
potholes. But bituminous cannot be done, okay, due to the rain.